Did you know dark skin naturally has more melanin? It protects you from the sun, but without the right care, it can lead to uneven skin tone and dark spots. Here's how to unlock that radiant glow. I'm Mazi, your beauty bestie. Start with Mazi Lightening Body Scrub. It gently exfoliates while targeting dark spots, revealing smooth, even, luminous skin. It's enriched with vitamins A and C plus pure minerals that leave your skin fresh, silky, and glowing. Follow up with Mazi Lightening Beauty Milk, packed with vitamins A and E to nourish and brighten your complexion. Apply it twice daily after your bath to help your skin look lighter, softer, and more radiant every day. Stay consistent, stay hydrated, and don't skip your sunscreen. Even dark skin needs protection. Your melanin is beautiful. Treat it with love and let your natural glow shine through. For more skincare secrets, like, share, and subscribe because your glow journey is just getting started.